Welcome. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to your Bit integration dashboard. Click on Create Integration and choose Bit Form as the trigger. Then select the specific form that you created with Bit Form. Next, search for and select Asana as the action. We already have videos and documentation available for setting up Asana integration with Bit integration. You can follow these resources to complete the Asana integration setup. So, enter your Asana API key here. Once the authorization is successful, click Next, and proceed to map the corresponding form fields. After mapping the fields, click Next and save the flow. Step 2. Once the setup is complete, please fill out the specific form that you created with Bit Form and submit it. Step 3. Now, open your Asana dashboard and verify that the submitted information has been successfully received as expected. If the test is successful, your Bit Form to Asana automation is now live.